Rust's default loot tables are fine, but they're not yours to control. Better Loot lets you adjust drop rates, tweak blueprint and scrap chances, and blacklist items you don't want showing up. All without touching the base game files. This video covers install, config, and the commands you'll actually use. You'll need an Oxide-enabled Rust server. If you're on Physgun, you can install Better Loot directly from the plugin installer tab under Tools. No manual file transfer needed. If you're going the manual route, you'll need File Manager access or an SFTP client. In the Physgun panel, go to Tools, Plugin Installer, search for Better Loot, and hit Install. Restart the server and you're done. If you're installing manually, download the CS file from umod.org/plugin/betterloot and upload it to Oxide Plugins. Then restart your server. The config file is at oxide-config-betterloot.json. This is where you set multipliers for loot drop rates, blueprint probabilities, scrap amounts, and loot cycle behavior. Changes here apply server-wide across all containers and barrels that the plugin controls. After editing, run oxide.reload-betterloot in the console so you don't have to wait for a restart. If you want to use admin chat commands, you need to grant permission first. In console, run oxide.grant user followed by the Steam ID and betterloot.admin. The most useful in-game command is /looty followed by a looty ID. Looty is a third-party site at looty.cc/betterloot, where the community shares pre-built loot table configs. Find one you like, grab the ID, run the command, and it uploads that loot table to your server. It's faster than building tables from scratch. To block a specific item from appearing in loot, run /blacklist add item followed by the item's short name. To remove it from the blacklist, just use /blacklist delete item. If you're not sure what the short name is, the Rust wiki has a full item list. Two common issues. First is permission errors on /looty or /blacklist. This usually comes back to case-sensitive permissions. Make sure the grant went through. Secondly, loot changes not showing up after the config edit. Running oxide.reload-betterloot fixes this without needing a server restart, but existing containers won't refresh until they respawn naturally. If you need changes to take effect immediately, a server restart forces it. And that's Better Loot. If you need a Rust server to run it on, Physgun has Rust hosting with Oxide and a plugin installer built in. Links in the description.